This isn't just a renovation. It's German engineering, redefined for Boston living. The island, clad in natural slate veneer, anchors the room with timeless character. High-gloss doors reflect light and space, bringing energy to every corner. Every element is designed with purpose, bringing convenience right where you need it. An integrated light channel transforms it into a glowing centerpiece, perfect for gathering, cooking, and creating memories. This is more than a renovation. It's a vision of what's possible in your home.